Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to cast off my sinking fan. Especially this year, I've been so excited for having sinking fan. Around this time, a lot of bills, like my yearly bills, goes out a lot, and it comes out of my account, and I'm like, I have this money saved, and that's sinking fan. So I'm super excited that I have sinking fan. So keep watching. If you watch my recent video, you realize that I talk about sinking fund a lot. I think I'm getting so passionate about people having sinking fund, even though they don't want to set up their budget. It has been one of the funds that I love when it comes to budgeting. So today I'm going to cast off it. And around this time of the year, like I said, my HMO comes out, my trash comes out. Around this time also, I have to register my car. Like a lot of those funds that I have here comes out so quick. Like this month, I have to celebrate 5 birthdays, and I do have the money. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. If you are new here, welcome. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. So thanks for being with me today. Let's go ahead, count the money, and cast off in this sinking funds. If you have any questions or you want any idea about your sinking fund, I hope this will help you today. Let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 40. So that gives us 140. I'm trying to do math here. 5, 10. That gives us 150. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 150, 164. So that's how much I'm putting in my sinking fund. I didn't cast off my sinking funds for quite a while because I wasn't posting videos. So I'm kind of playing like a catch up here. Let me see what I have for Valentine. For Valentine, I'm going to do $1. Let me get my marker rolling and let's see. Okay, so I'm doing $1. And for this Valentine, it's for coming year. So I'm just doing it slowly. By the time that Valentine comes, I want to have like $100. Okay, for birthdays I'm doing $10. So I want to go ahead and do this roll. We did celebrate a lot of birthday this month, and we are still having more coming. But this one what I'm gonna do is to keep it to the ones that we are celebrating this month. I've already have budget for that, so we are keeping this one for September and August, because I have 1 in August and I have 2 in September. So I know I'm going to spend a lot of money. For back to school, I'm doing 25. So what I'm gonna do is this one. My back to school is in August, and this coming back to school, I have 6 kids going to school. So hold on. It's a lot. So I know this money will not be enough, but I'm gonna save more than that. But at least I will have something. Hopefully it might be enough because we keep on buying stuff for them. So hopefully it might be enough. Okay, for my IRS license, I'm getting $20. So let's see. This one I need to shade it like that. So 20 here. For my car registration, not this time. Car maintenance, no. House maintenance, no. For other occasions, I'm saving it in my bill binder because the kids are learning piano and I'm placing this money with it, so I will keep it like that for now. For miscellaneous, I'm doing $10. And here. For self-care, I'm doing 10. So I'll go ahead and shade one of these. This is one of the envelopes that I get so excited about because at the end of the year, I'm going to use the money to treat myself. For my HMO and trash, I'm doing 10. I just paid it and I was so excited. I have the money. The trash alone was about almost 500. HMO was like 150. That's how expensive these two account is. In the near future, I'm planning of separating them, but let's see how it goes. I'm doing $10 today. Okay, for blessings, I'm doing 24. Let me do them on here. For this one, I'm gonna do $50. So I'll do 30 and I'll do 20. I really have to save this money as quick as possible. So let's see. I have to count it and see how much I have. I need to finish it and do another one. I need about $1,000 for this family fund because we have something that we have to do as a family, and that's what we're gonna use it for. So I have 40, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50. And for pedicure, I'm gonna put this amount in, which is $4. So I have $4 here. So that would do. Okay, so that's all for all the sinking funds. Super excited that I have this. So I have Valentine, birthday. I have back to school, RS license, car registration, car maintenance, house maintenance, other occasions. I have miscellaneous, self-care, HMO and trash. I have blessings, and these two are something that I'm saving towards too. So I also have it in my sinking fund, but they are kind of temporary, so they are also part of it. So that's all for my sinking fund. And for those of you who have been asking me, look at how many envelopes goes into this plant. Look at how many envelopes goes into this binder, and it's still closed very well. Look at that. And I have money in it. So if you need one and it thinks that, oh, it won't be enough for your binders, it will. Trust me, it will. if you don't have a big family like me, you can have your bills, you can have your daily expenses sinking fund all in this one. It takes a lot of envelopes, a lot. I mean a lot. So look at that. I have it in my description below. I have my shop, very affordable and quality. Look at that, a lot of space, and I like this big space over here as well. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye bye.